I'm working on the fence again. It's beautiful out tonight, not too hot. I thought it was going to be hotter. I just saw some new flowers that I've never seen before. I thought I'd take a pic. They're like little spirals, like there's layers to them. There's another one over here. This one's got something on the bottom of it. This one's like super layered. Okay, get it on the camera. Here it is, next to my fingers. And then it's got like this spiral on top. They were talking about geometric shapes in nature, that people are having dreams of sacred geometry. And I think this is an example of that, where everything is perfectly spiraled.